Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this tea coaster. It's very simple and easy to do, and any beginner can do it easily because it involves just double crochets followed by shell stitches. So the first 4 rounds will be worked as a flat circle, and in order to give a beautiful edging to our tea coaster, I'll be using shell stitches followed by single crochets. So let's begin the tutorial. For this, the materials that we need are a 4mm crochet hook and any scrap yarns. Here I have taken this pink colored as well as the beige colored yarn. So pink colored I will be using as a main color, and for giving this beautiful edging I will be using this color. Now in order to start up with this tea coaster, we will be initially making a magic circle. And into this magic circle, work 12 double crochets. So here I have done with the 12 double crochets. Now in order to close this magic circle, we'll pull the tail and then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet worked. So this finishes our round 1. Now the sequence of second round is to work one chain, and into each of the stitches we'll be working 2 double crochets. Now since for the first round we have done 12 double crochets, so by the end of the second round we'll be having 24 double crochets. So you just continue working 2 double crochets into each of the stitches till the end of the round. So here I have come to the end of the second round by slip stitching on top of the first double crochet worked. Now in order to work the third round, work one chain, and the sequence for this round would be to work 1 double crochet into the first stitch followed by 2 double crochet into the next. So now moving to the third stitch, again work 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochet into the next. So you just continue working like this till the end of the round. So here I have done with the third round and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet worked. Now by end of the third round, the number of double crochets that I have are 36. Now for the fourth round, work one chain, and the sequence for this round would be to work 1 double crochet into the first stitch followed by 1 more into the next, and into the third stitch I'll be working an increase, that is 2 double crochets. So this would be sequence for this entire round, working 1 double crochet into the first 2 stitches followed by 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So just continue working like this till the end of the round. So after doing the fourth round, I have slip stitched on top of the first double crochet worked, and for the fourth round the total number of double crochets that we have are 48. Now I have also cut my yarn, since for the fifth round, that is the shell edging, we will be using another color. So I will be joining this new color now. Now once it's done, work one chain, and into the same stitch work 1 single crochet. Again work one chain, skip 1 stitch, and into the next stitch work a shell of 5 double crochets. So here I have done a shell with 5 double crochets. Again work one chain, skip the next stitch, and into the next work 1 single crochet. Again work a chain, skip the next, and into the next work a shell of 5 double crochets. So this is the sequence that you will be following for this entire round. That is, working a single crochet followed by one chain, skip the next stitch, and into the next work a shell of 5 double crochets. Again work 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, and into the next work 1 single crochet followed by 1 chain. So just continue working like this for the entire round. So here I have done with my 5th round, and after doing the last shell of 5 double crochets, I have worked 1 chain and slip stitch on top of the first single crochet work and cut my yarn. Now I will put all the loose ends inside. Once I am done with it, I will get back to you. So we have done with the tea coaster. Now as I mentioned before, these tea coasters are done using very basic stitches of crochet like double crochet and shell stitches. So it's very easy and quick to do by any beginner as well. So I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.